Hey everybody, welcome to Caking at Midnight. Tonight we're going to show you how we shoot all our videos. Roll that intro. All right, so I'm going to show you everything that we use behind the scenes to shoot all of our videos, whether it's a vlog at the farmer's market, here, a time lapse, just anything. So yeah, first up, because this is what I'm gonna be using to walk around, is the camera we're using to vlog with. So that would be this camera here. It's the Canon EOS R. I like using this one because it's got the flippy screen and it's a touch screen. So you can actually see yourself when you're holding the camera out. All right, so we're going to switch from this camera that we're shooting on to this camera right here, and I can show you everything behind the scenes. All right, so as you can see, we're shooting on this camera right here. This is the Sony a7 III. You know, it's just on this tripod here. It's got a 50mm f1.8 lens, so that way we can get that nice blurry background. We also use the Rode Wireless Go, which is actually what you see right here. It's a pretty good mic. It's your cheapest wireless mic that you can buy, and it's really good. Internal battery, USB-C charger, everything. I recommend this mic if you're gonna do wireless. Moving on. So when we shoot a tutorial video, we're shooting on this camera here. And then for our overhead shot, got this camera right here, A6600. And we like it because it has a flippy screen also. So we use that with a C-stand, what you call a C-stand. It's got 3 legs, it's heavy duty, and you also have to put some sandbags down right there, otherwise the camera will topple over and that's not good. So then the next thing will be when we shoot like our side shots, and you see that right here, we're looking at the spot where Allison has her cake. We're shooting on this little Joby Gorilla Pod. It's kind of nice, kind of handy. It's not great for heavy cameras, but it's pretty decent. Usually just set that up, it's quick and easy. And that way we just set up usually the a7 III on there and then get our shot right here, or even this a6600 and set it up right there. Then for lighting, what we have for lighting is this Neewer LED light. It's a cheap light, came with 2, it was like 70 bucks on Amazon. I mean, it gets the job done. It's not the greatest light, it's decent. Then our main light that we use right here, the key light, is gonna be the Godox SL60W. It's a really good light, and we use it with this softbox, which is the Aperture Light Dome 2 with a diffuser. And also we started using this grid pattern, I can't remember what you call it. Started using that because it directs the light right onto Allison's face or my face. And we don't get these nasty glares back here like that on the microwave when you see it coming from the a7 III. We also have that on a C-stand. It does not need sandbags because it's pretty well balanced. Also comes with a remote, so that way you can change your brightness. So it's kind of nice. Also, for our lighting here, we're using these Philips Hue LED lights. And then up here is the Philips rope light that I've strung in there. The other one, got the little bars back there behind the Keurig. And that you can actually use to, with an app. You can actually change the color of the lights from here, custom colors, all kinds of stuff. That's actually what we like to use. It just gives it a little more, you know, neat stuff. And the next thing we use with the Wireless Go is the lav mic, which is what Allison usually uses. You don't have to use one, but it kind of sounds better, I think. And hopefully this is sounding all right and not going against my neck. Now we're gonna switch back from this camera, the Canon EOS R, and to the a7 III, and we're back. So if you have any other questions on how we shoot these, pretty simple. A couple cameras. You probably only need one camera. You really only need your cell phone. There is one camera that I would recommend if you're starting out and wanting to learn how to use a camera, or want to film your own YouTube video. Let me grab that real quick. It would be this camera right here. This is another Canon camera. It is small. It's the Canon EOS M50. It's got a flippy screen, touch screen, comes with a lens. Great camera. If you're gonna buy something else, you would probably buy a point and shoot. This right here is about the size of a point and shoot, just a little bit bigger, but the image quality is way better. So I would recommend this camera for starting out. And right now I think their clearance came out and they're really cheap. It's like 500 bucks. It is really cheap for what you get in a 4K camera. One last thing, use the shoot, unnecessary, but we got this. We got a gimbal. That's what I use to keep all like the smooth B-roll shots. Mount the camera on here, balance it out. It works. You don't need it. Don't have to have it. You could do everything handheld. I just like gear, that's all. So if you have any questions about any of the stuff that we use, how we use it, or how to use it, just leave a comment down below. As always, this is Caking at Midnight. Happy caking.